Hello everyone, Daria here and welcome to another Real Russian Club video. Today I am super excited to take part in the Reading Festival. There is a new series of book, Teach Yourself. It's called Short Stories in and then go different languages. In my case, of course, it's Russian, so it's short stories in Russian for beginners by Olly Richards. So I'm gonna read a short piece of this book and I hope you enjoy it. Безумные пельмени. Глава 1. Готовимся. «Даниэль, иди сюда!» – зовет меня Джулия. Она стоит в дверях. «Что, Джулия?» – отвечаю я. «Ты не забыл, что сегодня мы летим в Россию?» «Конечно, не забыл. Я уже собираюсь. Меня зовут Даниэль. Мне 24 года. Джулия – моя сестра. Мы живем в Лондоне вместе с родителями. Ей 23 года. Нашего отца зовут Артур, а мать – Наташа. Она родом из Владивостока, а в Англию приехала учиться в институте, когда ей было 22 года. Там они с папой и познакомились. Сегодня мы с Джулией собираемся в поездку в Россию по программе обмена студентами. Будет очень интересно, так как я очень мало знаю о российской системе образования. So that was just a small piece, and this book is pretty big, so you have tons of materials to practice. And if you are interested in this event, there are people reading in different languages every day. So follow the hashtags in the description box of this video. Check out the social networks. There are going to be pictures, videos of people reading in different languages. And of course, I am sure you will ask about where to get this book, and on Amazon, where else? I will put the link in the description too. So yeah, why I like this book, a couple of more words. I like it because first, the author is a polyglot himself. He speaks many languages, so he certainly knows how to learn a foreign language. This book has some tips and tricks, recommendations about how to read effectively. Also, it has a dictionary in the ending, and it has grammar tasks and exercises after each chapter. So it's a great addition to any of your textbooks, and it will be a great help on your way of learning the Russian language. So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and be sure to press like and to follow the links in the description to learn more about these short stories and about the whole reading event. And thank you again. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.